Hello, everybody, and welcome. We are doing an interview today with Natalie Roberts, who's going to be one of our speakers at the upcoming Python Web Conference 2022. Natalie, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, hey everyone, it's great to be here. I'm Natalie Roberts. I am a process automation consultant on the enterprise solutions team at Flexware Innovation. I primarily work in Microsoft's Power Platform, so anything related to process automation, doing workflows, automating business tasks, and creating applications through Power Apps.
You're going to be speaking at the conference. Can you give folks a little teaser about what you're going to be talking about?
The title of this talk is called Data Scraping with AI and RPA. And for me personally, when I hear those acronyms, artificial intelligence and robotic process automation, I'm intrigued. I want to know more about it. And it's kind of like, these cool concepts that, you don't really know much about. And so I kind of wanted to bridge that knowledge gap and be able to provide a real live demo showing how we utilize these tools to real application and speak into the power of what these tools really can do. And so really excited to give this demo and see what questions come about and to be able to provide that gap for those people.
What are you looking forward to as an attendee?
Same thing that I'm hoping to give others is just a real learning opportunity and, the chance to get to know other people that are in the industry and, to network. Never stop learning is one of our core values at Flexware. And I really stand by that. I think, there's so much to learn and, the only thing holding you back is yourself when you decide, hey, I know enough. And I think in the technology industry, we never know enough. There's always something to learn. And so really excited to see what everyone else has prepared and overall, just excited for the conference.
Yeah, we'll be looking forward to hanging out with you here in March. So we'll see you all at Python Web Conference. Thanks, Natalie, for being with me.